Hi there, Year 6. So today you're going to look at taking a photograph of a leaf and putting it into a CorelDRAW document and drawing around it so that we can cut out the picture using a laser cutter. To start with, you're going to need to open the blank template, which is going to be called primary template. And you will also need to get your photograph ready. If you've collected a leaf, you can always scan your picture in by going to File, Acquire Image, and then just selecting Acquire if that's open. Okay, I've actually saved my image, so instead of doing that, I'm going to go to File, Import, and I'm just going to open up my download image there. Click on Import. The image will not appear straight away. You'll get this little ruler mark, which I am just going to put in the corner. That will give me my leaf, and now I can just make that as big as I can and just fit it into the middle of the screen for now. Okay, so I've got a photograph. Now what I'd like to do is I would like to copy that photo. So all I'm going to do is click on it and go to this part here which says Trace Bitmap. I'm just going to go to Trace Bitmap and click on Quick Trace. And it will come up with these images just like this. And then I'm just going to scroll across to the black section and I'm going to right click on there. That's going to create this outline image, which I can now pick up and move over this way here. Okay, I can now also just go over and click on this cross here, which will take all of the colour out of the leaf. I'm now in a position where I can delete my photograph, and I can also just use this tool here, which is the Virtual Segment Delete tool. It's found just up here in the crop section, and you just click on the little arrow next to it and open that up, and I can get rid of this cumbersome box. I'm now in a position where I can pick this up, pop it into my design, resize it, rotate it if I want to, have it facing in any direction that I like, and just get it ready for use on the laser cutter. The only other thing that I need to do, if you check up here, the black line is currently set to hairline. That's too thin and it won't cut out. So I'm just going to go and change that to 1 millimeter. That doesn't look like it's made a huge amount of difference, but that will actually cut out on the laser cutter. If I want something a little bit heavier, a 2 millimeter line, or possibly even a 0.2 millimeter line, or possibly a 1 millimeter line. Okay, but you can see I can just make the choices there. I think that's perfect. There you go. That's now ready to go.